Now that I've done the brakes, given them a bleed, before I take this in for a test drive, I'm going to fix this door. Or at least look at fixing this door. I think the easiest way will be to remove these pairs of bolts and actually just free the door off. I'm not sure about this loom here. What's the go is there? This piece is missing altogether. Oh wait, it's not missing, it's just recoiled into the door. The bit that goes between there and there. Yeah, and then because otherwise I'm going to have to take the quarter panel off to gain access to these bolts. I don't have to get this door all the way out of the way, I just need to move it back and I can get onto those bolts. So with the help of my assistant, I may be able to do this. There may be enough wire here to actually pull the door all the way out. I doubt it, but there may be. So I'll get in there with some spanners now. So that other method may or may not have worked fine, but the bottom bolt on this hinge is a different size to the others, which I thought was suspicious when it was a 13mm head. Maybe it was a 1/2 inch head, I'm not sure. But the bottom line is, it's the wrong size bolt and it's been forced in to the door, and re-cutting the thread in the door unit is not a job I'm prepared to do right now. So I'm going to see if I can get access from behind the quarter panel through the plastic guard here. There we go. And get on those bolts from this side first. So, handful of shitty trim screws. Feels like there's one underneath there. This is normally the first thing that disappears on one of my cars. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. Give me a 12mm on the medium sized ratchet here. So, yeah, we'll go with that long. See how we go. Okay, grab that rattle gun, let's get this wheel out of the way. Catch! Don't put your wheels face down like that. Scratch them. Even though it's already scratched and covered in shitty black paint. Yeah, I can definitely get the bottom ones. The top ones, on the other hand, seems to be shit in the way. I've got to get a spanner on it though from up there. Can you get me those ratcheting ring spinners? See how we go. That's tight. That one. Just tight. God damn it. Bet you I couldn't have got that spinner out there if I tried. Can't get onto that. Maybe a short socket will do it. Where's it? Ratchet. Bastard. This one is definitely tight. So look at these bottom ones. I feel like these are a different size. They are a different size. Really like to know what the go is there. This is the side the car's definitely been crashed at some point. The damage is up here. Maybe something happened in here and into this door area as well. Yeah, this looks like it's been impacted here, so something odd's happened there, and they maybe used the wrong size bolts. This door issue is part of their dodgy repair, I think. Part of the problem is the repair that's been undertaken here. The bolts seem to be tight, which leads me to believe that the brackets, the hinges themselves, are probably bent. That's why they come away, which causes it to drop. It looks like the bolts are loose, but I don't think that's actually the case. Give me a 13mm socket. Tight. 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 Okay, so the bolts are not loose. Something is bent. Maybe the whole car, maybe the hinges, maybe the door. It's not a simple fix. This door will have to come off for that, and it's starting to rain. Let's get these tools away. Come on.